Welcome, Radiant Golden Being. I am so glad you are here. At this time, it is our intention to connect with these 35 powerful affirmations to attract and embody wealth, prosperity, and abundance. Feel the energy of the words as you speak and visualize the abundance that you desire. I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. I am worthy of immense wealth and abundance. Divine wealth flows effortlessly into my life. I am a powerful creator of my own reality. The universe conspires to bring abundance to me. I am open to the frequency of manifesting with ease and flow. I am a glowing golden example of prosperity and success. I am fearless and unstoppable in my magnetic ability to attract abundance. I am grateful for the endless supply of wealth in my life. I am masterful at creating abundance and prosperity. I attract wealth and abundance with every thought and action. I am financially free and independent. I am a powerful and magnetic force for wealth. I am always receiving unexpected windfalls of wealth and abundance. I am a magnet for prosperity, drawing wealth and abundance to me. I am in awe and deeply appreciate the many ways that abundance comes to me. I am always in the right place at the right time for financial opportunities. I am a powerful and prosperous being. I am always attracting wealth and abundance into my life. I am a walking money magnet. I am a financial powerhouse. I am radiating with the frequency of prosperity. I am a vibrational match to the frequency of abundance. I am a wealthy and prosperous being. I am attuned to the frequency of inspired action. I fearlessly move toward my future goals. I am a magnet for financial success. I am thankful that I am always provided for in every area of my life. I am a master in financial abundance. I am a sovereign being aligned with the universal flow of abundance. My whole body vibrates with the energy of prosperity. I am noticing and appreciating abundance everywhere I look. I am a living expression of the universe's living abundance. I am grateful for my abundance and prosperity, which allows me to share with others, which helps to raise the vibration of the planet. For a fun activity to shift your mindset to success, you can write your favorite affirmation, post it someplace you will see it often, or take it with you throughout the day, repeating the affirmation twice in the morning, twice in the afternoon, twice in the evening, and twice before bed. You can also place this affirmation under your pillow to enhance the power of these positive statements. Thank you, beautiful soul, for joining me. If in any way you feel moved, more at peace, or just simply enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Namaste.